Hey guys, it's Brianna again, and I'm back with another video, and I'm going to be unboxing a new gift to myself. So clearly I'm already showing that I don't care about things because I squished my box and I took the ribbon off already. But y'all know the ribbon, and y'all of course know that box. Of course y'all do, because y'all been checking y'all bags. But I finally got myself a bag. So like I say, I kind of smushed the corners of my box. I mean, I don't keep the box to anything, so the box will probably get trashed or something. I don't know, people buy the boxes or something, whatever. Here's the bag, receipts. The cards to prove this is that it's authentic. That protective bag. So I watched so many videos. I was trying to figure out if I wanted the Neverfull GM or the MM, and then like the GM just seemed ridiculously large, so I was just like, I'll keep it at a medium. So I'm gonna take it out of the bag. So this is the MM, the medium. It comes with the well-known wristlet that I'm probably going to wear to death. You guys know this purse. I'm probably late on getting it. Fresh bag. I'm too geeked. So before I start carrying this, which I should have been like had that planned out when I got the bag, I'm going to get the spacers that kind of give your bag form. It holds form, and you know, it's dividing the things in your bag, and it's just a layer in there, so if you do put things in your bag that might dirty up your purse, it's protected against that. I might get a red scarves to go around the straps because that's cute. Yeah, I'm not sure what else I could say. I just know I wanted this bag. I finally got it. I'm not an expert. I can't tell you, oh, this stitching is this, that, and the other. I just know I got the bag. Legit, I'm out here. You can't tell me nothing. I'm bougie as fuck now because I got my Louis bag. Period. But I don't know, maybe I'll learn how to do unboxing videos and like be real detailed and stuff like that. But